All right, let's talk about mastering the money game. We're going to crack open the playbook from none other than Tony Robbins and pull out a simple, super powerful plan for your money. So let's just dive right in. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, if that hits home, you are absolutely in the right place. The whole world of investing can feel, well, like a game with all these hidden rules, right? It almost seems like it's designed to be confusing. But here's the thing. What if I told you there's a straightforward plan that literally anyone can follow to win? Okay, so here's our game plan for the next few minutes. We've got 4 key steps, and then we're gonna wrap it all up with a challenge to get you started immediately. Ready? Let's do this. All right, step 1, you gotta know the score. I mean, think about it. You can't win any game if you don't know where you stand, right? This is the absolute bedrock of your entire financial plan. So what are we really playing for here? Look, it's not just about piling up cash in a bank account. The real end goal is financial freedom. And what is that? It's that amazing point where your money starts working for you, so you can finally make choices based on what you want to do, not just what the bills say you have to do. And you know what? To get a really clear picture, you only need to focus on 3 critical numbers. First up, your monthly spending. Seriously, where is your money actually going? Second, your savings rate. What percentage of your income are you actually putting away? And third, your net worth. That's simply everything you own minus everything you owe. Once you nail these 3 down, believe me, you'll feel like you have real control. And this right here, this is so important. The most powerful tool you have isn't some secret stock tip, it's time. Seriously, stop worrying about trying to be some market wizard timing things perfectly. The real magic, the secret sauce, is compounding. It comes from investing consistently over many, many years. It's just like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts off small, but the longer it rolls, it just gets bigger and bigger, exponentially. Okay, so our foundation is set. Now let's talk defense. You know, every great team has a killer defense. And before we even think about scoring points and growing your money, you have to protect what you have. This is a step that, honestly, most people completely skip over. And this right here shows you the brutal math of losing money. Just look at this. If your investment drops by 50%, it's not a 50% gain you need to get back to even. Nope. You need a 100% return just to get back to where you started. That is a crazy steep hill to climb. And that's exactly why the golden rule of investing is simple. Avoid big losses. Okay, now we need to talk about a silent killer of wealth. I'm talking about fees. A 2% fee. It sounds so small, right? So insignificant. But over decades, that tiny little fee can eat up a massive chunk of your earnings. It's like a termite in your financial house. You absolutely have to be aware of this. Listen, this next part is completely non-negotiable. Before, and I mean before, you invest a single dollar for growth, you must build a safety net. We're talking about an emergency fund. That means 3 to 6 months of your living expenses sitting in cash, easy to access. This is your shield. This is what protects you from being forced to sell your investments at the worst possible time when life, throws you a curveball. All right, our defense is locked down. It's solid. Now it's time to play some offense. This is the fun part, where we get into the smart, systematic way to actually grow your wealth for the long haul. So, how do we do that? A really great way to structure everything is what's called the core and satellite method. Think of it like this. The big part of your money, your core, like 80%, is in safe, stable, diversified stuff, the boring stuff. Then, a much smaller portion, your satellite, can be for those higher risk, higher reward opportunities, but only after you've really done your homework. But what's the real key to making sure you stay consistent with all of this? It's simple. You have to take your own emotions out of the equation. And the best way to do that? Automate it. Just set up a reoccurring transfer from your bank account to your investment account every single month. Set it and forget it. This is literally how you build wealth on autopilot. Now, to make all of this real and bring it into focus, you need a target, a specific number to aim for. We call this your freedom number. What is it? It's the amount of monthly income you need from your investments to cover all your living expenses. And when you calculate that number, suddenly this vague idea of freedom becomes a concrete, tangible goal that you can actually work towards. Okay, let's talk about the final piece of the puzzle, because you can have the absolute best strategy in the world, the perfect plan, but none of it will matter if you can't manage your own emotions. This final step is maybe the most important one, mastering your own mindset. Your job here is to learn how to ignore the noise. All the daily chatter, the breaking news, the market panic, you gotta tune it out. Financial news makes money off of fear and greed, and that just leads to terrible decisions. Your focus has to be on the long-term trends. Remember, we're running a marathon here, not a sprint. And this is a super important distinction to understand. You have to know the difference between volatility and real risk. They are not the same thing. Volatility is just the market's natural ups and downs, the swings. That's normal. Real risk, that's permanently losing your money. And that usually happens for two reasons. You panic sell at the bottom, or you invest in something you just don't understand. Okay, so there you have it. We've walked through the entire playbook. But you know what? Information without action is just, well, it's just entertainment. So right now, let's turn all this knowledge into a simple, powerful challenge to get you started. Here is your action plan, step by step. First, calculate your freedom number. Get that target. Second, start that emergency fund or add to the one you have. Third, go look at your investments and see if you can reduce the fees you're paying. Fourth, set up that monthly auto invest. Fifth, actually write down your asset allocation plan, your core and satellite strategy. And finally, number 6, decide right now on your I will not panic sell rule for when the market inevitably dips. So there it is. You now have the core principles you need to win the money game. The plan is simple, it's straightforward, it's effective. The only question left is the most important one. What's your first move gonna be? Just pick one thing from that list, just one, and take action on it today.